What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup for New Year's Eve, and I know it's like a month later and I'm just not posting this, but you know, college is busy. So I just got out of the shower in my pink robe, scrunching my hair up in my towel. And I'm talking right now because no one was in my room, and then my brother's girlfriend came in my room, so I had to stop talking. So first things first, I'm putting on my Marcel Hydrocy 24-hour cream. I think you can only order this online, but it's just what I use to moisturize my face before I put on my makeup. Next, I'm going to mist my face with my e.l.f. Mist and Set sprays just to keep my face more moisturized because I was going to a party. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be putting on foundation. I'm using my CoverGirl kind. I don't know what shade it is. I think it's beige or something. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Since this video is like a month old, my makeup routine has changed and I use different products, so I'll probably do an updated makeup tutorial soon. ASAP. So yeah, I'm just dabbing this all around my face. I'm talking to myself. Using my beauty blender to buff that crap in. Okay, next I'm going to set my foundation with some powder. I think this is Grwm powder. Just a generic powder is fine. I just set this everywhere so my makeup stays on all night long. Okay, next I'm just going to use this as a base shade for my eyeshadow. Talking to my brother's girlfriend, as you can see. This is the same powder I use to set my face. And then next I'm taking the bronzer that I use, which is also by Grwm, and I'm just putting that into the crease to give my eyes some dimension. Yeah, my brother's girlfriend was watching Netflix, so I had to stop talking. And she didn't even know I was filming this video, so that's funny. Then I'm just adding some glitter to my eyes to spruce it up, you know. New Year's Eve, gotta look shiny. And I like to use my finger because it gets a lot of product on my eyeball instead of using a brush. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then put mascara on, which I did not show because that's boring. I'm going to fill my brows a little bit with this e.l.f. pencil. I don't know what shade it is because it's not mine, I'm borrowing it. And now I'm putting on concealer, it's the Age Rewind by Maybelline, I think it's called. It's the lightest shade I can find. Just on all the usual areas. And yeah, my brother decided to show up in my room, so that's fun. I'm just setting my under eyes now with the same powder I used to set the rest of my face. I like to do my eyes before I finish my concealer stuff because of fallout. I don't want to mess up my base. So yeah, I'm just setting everything so I don't get oily. And next I'm going to use bronzer Stay Matte by Grwm. It's some good stuff, if I gotta say so myself. just on the cheekbones as usual, and then I also do it on my forehead and down my neck. Also, after I did my makeup, I curled my hair, just as you guys wanted to know. And I got on a cute outfit, and I went to a party. It was lit. Yep, still putting bronzer on. Gotta be a bronze queen, I guess. Okay, now it's highlighter time. Using my finger again to apply the same shadow I used on my eyes. I like to use my finger because it gets a lot of pigment on there. Gotta be blinding them. Then I just take my beauty blender to diffuse it out a little bit and blend it. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, comment, and like, all that good stuff. Have a nice day. Bye.